miss you so much. Today, as promised, we are having loaded seafood nachos. The seafood is the shrimp. We have 2 different chips today, you guys. We have the hint of lime Tostito chips, and we also have Doritos. Now, this is a new flavor that I have never seen before. It's called Blaze. It's the spicy kind. I loaded it up at the bottom. I added the chips. I then added some Mexican cheese, placed it in the oven until the Mexican cheese melted. I have a layer of cheese sauce. I have a layer of sour cream at the bottom because sour cream, I love extra sour cream. We have shredded lettuce. We have salsa. We have jalapenos, the shrimp, also diced tomatoes and onions and sour cream at the top. We also have, I did message View on the Road so that I can pronounce this correctly. I know that I'm going to mess this name up. I found this in the grocery store, but this is basically the green Mexican sauce that goes on tacos. It is called Taqueria. I know you guys, I messed it up. Taqueria sweet taco sauce. Verdi. Here's what it looks like. And I thought that would be really good to place on the loaded seafood nachos today. What I am drinking today is a vitamin water, and this is tropical mango. It is really, really good. You guys, this is my favorite part. Do you guys hear that? Do you guys hear that? I love it. Okay. So you guys, we do have a topic for today that I am going to be discussing with you all. But first, let me go ahead and get the first bite. I am so ready. Oh my God. You guys, this is going to be really crunchy. Oh my gosh, you want to bite? I gotta figure out how to focus this camera so you guys can see the food very clearly. Okay, let me just go ahead and take the first bite. Listen to me. Because I ain't got time to be putting down on each bite. Wow. That is so good. You guys have got to try this. You gotta make it. So good. Oh my God. Mmm. 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 Oh my God, with that cheese. Mmm. Mmm. Just let me eat. Let me enjoy this. Mmm. So good. And you guys can't see it, but the stuff is loaded inside of it. Mmm. Mmm. So today we're going to talk about fear. As Zig Ziglar says, fear is false evidence appearing real. And the reason why I was inspired to talk about fear today is because I was looking back at I was really inspired today, and I was really inspired by my first seafood boil, first mukbang. And I kept thinking about how far I've come and how I felt first starting out with my first video of somebody watching me eat. For the world to watch me eat. And that was 7 months ago. And I thought about how fear is false evidence appearing real, how true that is, because I was fearful. I was fearful. Now, can you imagine if I have let that fear sink in? And not did the channel. On the other side of fear is success. When I had fear, I could have let that fear sink in and I wouldn't be sitting here today. Move past the fear. Move past the fear and be great. Start your business. Whatever it is that you're trying to do, move past the fear and do it. Move past the false evidence. It's not real. It's an illusion. I gotta get a big. False evidence appearing real. How long are you going to keep questioning yourself? I'm not big, I'm not small enough. My teeth are messed up. You know, I told myself the same stuff. I was like, I can't do it. I look so fat. My hair is a mess. My eyebrows, my this, my that. When you feel the fear, do it anyway. It's going to take you to where you need to go. Stop making excuses of why you can't do something. Because words have power. And if you say you can't, you can't. Words have power. These burps have been embarrassing lately. You guys gotta try these nachos. So good. That is so refreshing. Repeat after me. I believe in myself. I don't hear you repeating after me. Repeat after me. I believe in myself. I can do it. I'm talented. I'm smart. I can do all things. I can do it. I believe in myself. You have got to believe in yourself. Make the effort. Start whatever it is that you want to do. Nothing's going to just drop out of the sky for you. You have to put forth the effort. How bad do you want to change your life? If you want to change it bad enough, then let the fear sink in and still do it. Think about something that you were so fearful of, and then you finally did it, and you were like, oh wow, that wasn't that bad. I can do it again. But it's not that bad. Yes, it's uncomfortable. Yes, the unknown is scary. Okay. That was better. Don't die and let your dreams be buried with you. That's in whatever it is that you want to do. Doing YouTube can be scary. You're putting yourself out there for the world to see, to judge, to criticize. But you gotta move past that fear and do it anyway. And do it anyway. Say it with me, and do it anyway. Yes, I'm scared, but do it anyway. Yes, I'm insecure, but do it anyway. No, I'll wait until I'll wait until this happens. I'll wait until that happens. And it never comes. It never comes. And you know it never comes. I was nervous too. I was scared too. And I still do have fears. And I still do have insecurities. And sometimes they're gonna always be there. They might always be there. Do yourself a favor and move past the fear. Feel the fear and do it anyway. You're going to be so proud of yourself. Speak kind words over yourself. Yes, I can. I can do this. Fill your mind up with positive things. Fill yourself up with people that are like-minded. Be around like-minded people. Y'all, these nachos are so good. So good. I believe in you. But I want you to believe in you too. I want you to believe that you can do it too. Believe that you're worth it. Believe that your life is worth it. Why can't you live a nice life? Why can't you live your dreams? Why can't you? You think you was put on this planet to struggle and to not be happy? No, you weren't. You were put here to be great. Now create whatever it is that you need to create. Write down what you want to do. What does it look like? What does it feel like? What does it smell like? Be specific in the things that you want. You know, I want success. That's not good enough. That's very vague. Be specific in what it is that you want. Believe in yourself. Be consistent. Be consistent. Move past the fear. I believe in myself. Write down what you want and read it to yourself every single day, every morning, as soon as you wake up. As soon as you wake up. A lot of people, as soon as they wake up, they get on Instagram, they get on social media. No, put something good in your mind and let that transform your day. Put good things in your mind as soon as you wake up. So that vibration, those vibrations, they shape your day. Speak positivity. A lot of us wonder why things don't happen for us because we're so negative. Try to be more positive and speak more positivity over your life and watch your life change. And even when you're fearful, still do it anyway. I hope you guys like this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching me every single day. Please continue to spread love and light. And please remember what we said about fear. False evidence appearing real, which means it's not real and that you can do it anyway. And you need to do it anyway. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.